WhatsApp your friend. Web Growls. Put the cursor on the Xbox.
So me and my team, when we work on something, we don't have track of food or anything. So we usually go all in. We'll be working for a whole day, and we were like, one day we were like, shit, we didn't even have food once today. And then we were like, what if we have a device that can know when we are hungry and automatically order? So this felt like a lame idea, but then it was very interesting as well. So we then figured out we can actually build it by using a stethoscope. We can detect the voices inside our stomach or in our body, right? So we used it and we just did a small prototype. It worked. So then we built a small 3D printed case and wrote a code which connected through. So Zomato also launched their MCP server, which means you can access their platform directly through using an LLM model. So it was an opportunity at the same time, so we used it and it worked. So it was cool. So we made a fun video out of it and it went viral, which was not expected.
No, just
This stethoscope can record voices inside your heart sounds or whatever is there. It has a diaphragm that basically accesses the sounds inside, which a normal microphone cannot. For this, we attach the small microphone, and that microphone goes to a controller called the ESP32. So this controller will basically detect these sounds as an analog input, and then when the sound is detected, it will access a model, a Python script in the local server. So ESP32 connects to Wi-Fi. It has Wi-Fi access, connects to the internet, to the local server, where we run this code, which will write a prompt automatically in Claude. Claude is an LLM model. It will write a prompt saying that order us this food, access our Zomato MCP server. Using the MCP servers, access my Zomato app, see what orders I have placed before, what kind of orders food I like to have, and based on that, if my growl is a smaller sound, then order a basic food. If my growl is a bigger sound, then order more food. That means I'm more hungry. So it will see all those preferences, see the ratings of the restaurant, see my budget, and after comparing all those things, it will find the perfect dish and order it for me. Oh, this one. So it's checking my order history, my order that has been. So I don't look at any scalable thing out of this. It's a fun project. It can be used, but I don't think so someone would use it every day. Anyone who wants to build something, or anyone who feels like they want to learn, but they're like, okay, I need this money for it, or this idea needs to get this much of money, only then I'll build it. That will come to you eventually. Money will come to you eventually, or the output of that will come to you eventually. You just keep on executing. Even if it's the smallest idea that comes to you, just go on and just execute it.
Jelajahi cara baru mendapatkan informasi. Download Metro TV Extend sekarang.